base Brett will be getting listed on Coinbase very soon. We see Brett is up nearly 4% on the day. On the week, we're up above 1%, and a month, we're up nearly 6%. Looks like things are gearing up for the base meme coins. Now, we're covering Toshi later today as well. Toshi Army. I know I've been MIA. Last time I posted a Brett video was about a little bit over a week ago, but we're back and better. Daily Brett videos coming back into play again. Looks like things are looking great for Brett. We're all going to be rich once Brett breaks beyond this trend line, and looks like it is about to break through as we're seeing green on the day. And more importantly, we're seeing green all across the board in the market, with Bitcoin trending in at number one, nearly $87,000. Earlier today was at $88,000. Market's up 2%, volume up nearly 90%, and Fear and Greed Index almost back into neutral. While whales were accumulating back in March, the question is, have you been buying the dip? Because you're going to wish you had. And again, this is just the start. Well, guys, before the video, I want to ask you to have it already. Hit that subscribe button down below. It helps the channel tremendously. Helps me bring you guys these daily update videos on your favorite meme coins. Again, we're looking at the price action for Brett. Market cap currently sitting at $351 million. Again, markets available to buy are quite limited. Once we get listed on Binance, on Coinbase, on other top-tier exchanges, we're talking about prices flying for base Brett. I mean, at this point, I don't even know if they're available to buy on Crypto.com, which is absolutely a shame. Such a solid project, such a cult-like following community, yet not accessible to the masses. That's the one thing bonus parts are back. The fact that it's holding a stronger market cap than Toshi, which is pretty much available to buy everywhere. Goes to show how strong the community is, and how much they believe in Toshi and in Brett, and goes to show how strong Brett is. Now again, people say there's an argument whether Toshi's a face of Brett, or base Brett's face of Brett. It's fair to say each have their own rights. Again, Brett has the bragging rights of being the number one most popular Brett meme coin for longer, stronger market cap. I guess the number one in terms of market cap. Whereas Toshi's the bragging rights of being the first base meme coin to be listed on Brett. Again, I like both. I know it's a little war between two projects, but again, both for both. Brett Ewing, 150,000 followers with an Easter post. Hawks News, I guess that's some sort of advertisement there. We see Brett Carnival for Dubai for token 2049. May 1st, they're going to be there. Again, if you're at Dubai, you might want to check it out. We see more memes. Just engage with the community. We see Brett at some media event somewhere in Korea, I believe. It's cool. They had some base Brett snacks, surfs up. They're just doing their thing, just memeing about. No new news for update as of late. They're just crushing it. Just posting memes and just pushing market cap. Like, that's how the mode needs to be. In terms of community, the community's even stronger than ever, right? 10 hours ago, base Brett looks phenomenal. Palix Panic Sales about to get obliterated. Brett breakout is imminent. You won't believe your eyes. All resilience is futile. Buckle up. Again, especially once we get listed on massive centralized exchange platforms, we're talking about massive pumps. Brett reversal. Brett on base community will be heavily rewarded for holding through times like these. Again, these are the times to load up, guys. Even though we're pumping today, we are in breach nowhere near our levels that it should be at. Brett, new all-time high in May, maybe potentially sooner. Brett to $1 billion soon. Again, build on market capital, say it's coming. Green May is approaching. You know what happens during these times. ETH begins to have massive pumps. Stay the numbers on the coins. ETH number one layer to most mind shared and active users. Study Brett currently at $336 million. Probably one of the easiest 100x opportunities that can be made this cycle with size. I think about $10,000 can get you $1 million by simply buying, holding, and bull posting every single day. Generational amount of wealth will be made with Brett. And again, it's not just the Brett community, it's the entire crypto market. We see Japan going big on Bitcoin, buying 330 Bitcoins. We see gold per se all-time highs. We also see in the UK buying $250 million worth of Bitcoin. Prices are pumping. We're going to see an altcoin season very soon. And that means more exchanges for Brett. That means more visibility for Brett and potentially new all-time highs for Brett as well. And again, as for the base Brett Coinbase listing, We see Base Brett replying to ex-user commenting, Coinbase peaceless Brett. Hi, thanks for reaching out to us. Thank you for your feedback regarding listing Brett. We are working on it, but currently we don't have any updates for when it will be listed. For details, please follow our official site. Now again, it's pretty solid. The fact that they don't have updates just means that they're working on it. And when markets reverse, we're probably going to see Brett get listed. Again, they didn't say no. They could also just not reply, but they chose to reply because they know how much the community wants to see that happen. So it looks like a brace bet, the Base Brett Coinbase listing could be in the very near future as well. We're all just getting excited and waiting for that day, because it's definitely going to help boost the price. But guys, like always, remember now, this is financial advice. Always your own research and diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel.